Oh, gee, good to Cara. I was just having my cup of coffee. You know, there were some things that I was really good at as a kid. One of them was knitting. I've gone back to it in little bits, just kind of testing it out. When I got the knitting needles, I didn't know what to do with them. I didn't remember. My hands didn't remember what to do with the knitting. And I'm very far from efficient, but it's a nice activity to do now. I enjoy it sometimes, not very often, but I'm enjoying seeing the patterns and seeing what I can produce myself. And I suspect that a lot of people who had Gaeilge at school, be it 2 years ago, 5 years ago, or 50 years ago, that you have more Gaeilge than you think, but you just don't have access to that information. So it's in there in your brain. And how do you do it? Well, you won't be very proficient using Gaeilge just from a cold start. But you can always reconnect. You can always make a new connection with something that started a short while ago or a very long time ago, maybe. And so, like my knitting, I don't have too much expectation of it. I do enjoy it and I go slowly. And that would be my advice to you if you're looking to reconnect with Gaeilge in your life. And if you're interested, my book, Seacht, mBealach, 7 Ways, is an invitation to reconnect with Gaeilge. Meet the language where you are in your life now, and kind of dropping those kind of expectations, maybe even some shame, dropping all that and letting yourself find ways to reconnect with the language every single day. Gaeilge, Gaeilge.